Hey guys, and welcome to the How To channel. In this video, we're going to see how to use Google Gemini 3. So for do this, obviously in this case, we are on a computer, but it works the same on a mobile device. In this case, we're going to search directly for Gemini, and here we will get the Google first option. So if you are on a device like iOS or Android, what you're going to do is download the Gemini app from your app store. Once you're in, you also sign in with your account. As you can see, I have the Pro version of the Google One AI, which lets me use different models. In this case, I'm mainly going to show you the Google Gemini 3 model. Here, as we can see, we are already have the section where we can enter our prompt or our question. We have the file upload area, the tool section where we can find deep research, create videos with Veo 3.1, create image, Canva, guided learning, dynamic view, and more. And next to the microphone icon, we have the model selector for Gemini. If I click here, we will find two models. The first one, which says it's respond quickly, and the reasoning one, that is Gemini 3 Pro. This one says reasons through complex topics. As we can see, we have the first version and Gemini 3. In this case, I already have it select, but if you have the first model active, what you're going to do is click on here on choose model to select the version 3. Finally, we can ask it things that require a bit more reasoning, so Gemini 3 can do its things. Obviously, depending on the question, the AI might take a moment or take some more extra time, depending on how complex it is.